GE could have located its locomotive plant in many different places around the U.S., but the company chose a site in Fort Worth, about a mile west of Texas Motor Speedway, and it's a decision that's working out well for everybody. Great to welcome the plant leader, Walter Amaya. Thanks for coming in.
Great to meet you. Thanks.
So this facility, it is large. We're talking 1 million square feet. I mean, that's large even by GE standards.
That is correct.
And these locomotives are really big as well. What are the dimensions? What are we talking about?
A locomotive measures up to 73 feet long.
Okay.
And they can weigh up to 430,000 pounds.
Wow. And
each one.
And you're producing about, what, 6 a week, and these are sold to railroad companies around North America.
That is correct. We're building our legacy product is called the Evolution locomotive, which is used here in North America.
The Evolution locomotive. And then right next to the locomotive plant, you've got what's called the mining plant, where you're producing motors and transmissions for these huge dump trucks that are used in mining operations.
Yes, that is correct. That is a very important part of our business as well. We support the mining industry, and here in Fort Worth, we're building those drive systems used around the world on mining sites.
Okay, well more than 500 people employed at the 2 plants. What were the factors that went into locating in Fort Worth?
Right. We wanted to have a location that could bring in a great pool of talent. We wanted to be close to our customers, so we spend a lot of time hiring the right people and then spending time developing them, but also being able to partner with the right institutions in the area, colleges, the business community.
So Fort Worth and every other city around North Texas would love to attract more of these kinds of manufacturing jobs. What would be your advice to these communities who
that's a great question, Dan. So education, we believe, is very important, and we do a lot to try to foster and improve and cultivate that math and science parts. And I think it's also our responsibility to make sure that we support those academic institutions, and that's something that we take very seriously, and we do. But the other one is infrastructure. Having that access to a rail, having access to the right roads and infrastructure is very, very important for any manufacturing site to flourish.
All right, Walter Amaya, thank you so much. For more information about the 2 GE plants in Fort Worth, as well as possible hiring opportunities, we've got a link at our website. Just go to myfoxdfw.com and click on links.